this is our next unit, that is regarding your computer networks. Here we are going to read all about our computer networking things and like what is the computer networks and what can be the advantages, disadvantages and the various components of a computer network. So in this section we are going to learn all these things. So first of all, what a computer network is. So it is what? It is basically a combination of two or more autonomous computing devices. Autonomous means that are independent and are self-decision making devices. Okay, so this is a two or more autonomous computing devices connected to one another in order to exchange information or share resources that form a computer network. So this I will tell you with the help of example. Like if in your home you are connecting your smartphone, your laptop with your smart TV, like basically what you do usually, like you connect your smartphone, your laptop with your smart TV, your gaming console and a printer, okay, either using cables or through the Wi-Fi. So this is termed as a computer network. Okay, by definition, what is a computer network? Like it will definitely connect two or more devices, whether we join it through cables or through the Wi-Fi. The basic idea is we are connecting them. Okay, and why we are doing so? To exchange information or to share resources. So this is our computer network. Now, computer networks are very useful in many ways. Okay, like first of all, they facilitate resource sharing. Like resources such as the storage, software, etc. on the network can be shared. Okay, and enhanced communication, like communicating with devices on a network, is easier. And the third one is cost reduction. Why? Because resource sharing cuts on cost. Okay. So these all are very useful means of computer networks. And now we will learn about the various components of a computer network. So here the first one is host and nodes. Like basically what? By joining two computers with a cable will not form a network. Okay. In fact, there are many components that together make a network. Because you should see सिर्फ एक केबल से ज्वाइन किया टू कंप्यूटर्स वो नेटवर्क नहीं है, बहुत सारे कंपोनेंट्स भी हैं दैट विल फॉर्म अ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क, and that we are going to discuss all these components. Okay, so major are host or you can say nodes such as your PCs, laptops, smartphone, etc. So that are called as host. Okay, then servers, then client, network hardware. Network hardware means like NIC, your router, switch, hub. These all are your network hardwares. Then communication channel. Communication channels are cables, radio links, etc. Then after that software. Software में क्या होगा? Like your protocols, your network operating systems, and after that network services like DNS and file sharing. These are network services. So for briefly explanation, first of all, host or nodes. Okay, this term host or nodes refers to the computers that are attached to a network and are seeking to share resources of a network. Okay, like if there were no nodes, like nodes को we can say workstations also. Okay, so there would be no network at all. मतलब अगर nodes ना हो, अगर कोई host ही नहीं है तो कोई network हो नहीं सकता. Basically what is a host or node is they are computers that are attached to a network and they are going to share the resources of the network. Okay, like examples can be your PCs, laptops and smartphones. When you connect to network, become host. Okay, after that server. Server means it is very important computer in a network and it is responsible for making the networking task happen. Okay. Like a server facilitates networking tasks like sharing of data, resource sharing and communication among hosts. So it is very important component. And on small networks, all the shareable stuff like files, data, software, work, that is stored on the server. Okay, so basically what it do the work of the storage. Okay, and a network can have more than one server also. Each server has a unique name on the network, and all the users of the network identify the server by its unique name. Okay, so what we have done for the server is very important computer network, and it is responsible for making the networking task happen. It facilitates networking tasks like sharing of data, resource sharing, and communication among hosts, and it do the storing process, and also it has a unique name. Okay, and all the users of network identify the server by its unique name. So these are the important things about the server. After that, clients is a related term. Okay, a client computer is a host computer that requests for some services from the server say services level. Okay, so this is a client, and we can say that a server computer serves the request of क्लाइंट कंप्यूटर्स जो भी क्लाइंट कंप्यूटर्स हैं जो भी इसको रिक्वेस्ट देंगे तो सर्वर कंप्यूटर वो करेगा. देन आफ्टर दैट नेटवर्क हार्डवेयर मीन्स लाइक अदर देन होस्ट और वायरिंग के अलावा जो भी नेटवर्क है दैट रिक्वायर अ स्पेशलाइज्ड हार्डवेयर टू कैरी आउट वेरियस रोल्स. और क्या फंक्शंस होंगे लाइक एस्टेब्लिशिंग करेक्शंस, कंट्रोलिंग नेटवर्क traffic, etc. And also there are different types of hardware that are required in a network. That some examples I will show you. That NIC, that is a network interface unit. So here there are many different types of hardware that are required in a network, and some are NIC. The main is NIC. NIC is your network interface unit. It is a network that attach to a host to the network connections, and in this the hub, switch, and router. So these are the connectivity devices. Okay, and after that we have a communication channel. In this, the host in a network interact with other hosts through a communication channel or a communication medium, and the communication medium can be both the wired or wireless. And you know about the wired and wireless both communication channels. Like in wired communication channel, when the host and servers are connected with the guided media, and the guided media can be your network cables. Okay, and the example of wired communication can be the twisted pair cables, coaxial cables, and fiber optic cables. So it is called a wired communication channel or a medium. And in a wireless communication channels, there are hosts and servers that are connected with one another through our unguided media like the radio waves or through satellites, etc., and it is called a wireless communication channel or a medium. Now the examples of this type of communication media are microwaves, radio waves, satellites, infrared waves, laser, etc. Okay, so this is all about your communication channel or a media. After that, we have our software component. The software layers of a network make networking possible. Okay, like the main important part in any kind of networking, that would be our software. So this is comprises of a network protocols, network operating system. Now, a protocol is what? A protocol refers to a pre-decided set of rules. Okay, like the rules that we have pre-decided, which all parties of a network connected and interact with one another. And a network operating system means it is a specialized operating system that can handle networking tasks. So, software component is also a very important component in your networking. And after that, network services. So these refer to the applications that provide different functionalities over a network, like your DNS, the domain name system, file sharing, VoIP means the voice over IP, and many more. And the armed with this basic knowledge of computer networks, that is further discussion talking about the types of networks. So in the next lecture, you will learn about the types of networks, and its classification, like based on the various things like geographical spread it can take, or it can be based on your component roles, and after that that will also going to have its subparts also. So this is all about your components of computer networks. So I've explained all these points to you, and you can read it from your study materials also. Thank you.